What are the differences between present simple and present continuous? As he worked on them about these two cases, present simple and present continuous. We use of present simple for routine activities and general fact. For example, if I want to explain, I go to school every day. I go to school every day. This is my routine activity. It's line time. And I always do this. Or general fact. For example, here, the planets turn round the earth. The sun, sorry. The sun. It's a general fact, for example. But for present continuous, we will use of short time activity or ongoing activity or activity that we will perform it right now or currently. For example, I am eating, for example, fruit. As you can see, I am doing this activity right now. Or for example, for ongoing activity, the activities that you will do them in upcoming times and upcoming days. For example, I am visiting for example, New York.